Are you graduating this summer? We could have a job for you. We are looking for a graduate building surveyor with a degree in building, construction, development or similar discipline to work across North Wales. You'd be responsible for property surveys, asbestos reports, inspections and so much more. We'll give you a 24-month contract to start and your salary would start at £21,559. But why work for us? You'll get 23 days of holiday per year, flexible working hours, membership of a pension scheme, great discounts as part of a staff discount scheme, you could join a cycle to work scheme, free membership to a healthcare scheme and much more. Full details can be found on our website www.ccgwynedd.org/careers.